This video will show suppliers how to search for their products on Canoa. Start by signing into your account. The first way you can search for your products is heading over to our products catalog. You can search by brand by typing in your brand and filtering that way. Here you'll see all the products within that brand. Start clicking the stars to add to your personal catalog for easy lookup and use in canvases and projects later. Consider these your favorite. Next, you can browse your products by heading over to the canvas. Create a new canvas or click on a canvas that someone has shared with you. Once you're in the canvas, this really is a great way to add product recommendations from your brand and start creating a specification or a request for a quote. Go up to the toolbar and click on the plus sign. Find your brand on the drop-down and see your list of products. You can toggle between a more detailed view with the pricing, the size, as well as the carbon footprint. Once you've found the product you're looking for, drag it into your canvas. Here you can use as an image. You can also remove the background to give it more of a layering effect. Or you can add it to the specifications that are already there in product card form. It's really that simple.